Disney Plus is fully compatible with EE Box Pro devices as of August 2025. Today we'll walk through the complete installation process step by step. The primary installation method is through the EE Box Pro App Store. This is the most straightforward approach and works on all current EE Box Pro models. Alternatively, Disney Plus may be available through EE's entertainment packages if you have a bundled subscription with your EE broadband plan. This option provides seamless billing integration. For older EE boxes that may not support the app directly, screen mirroring or casting is available. You can cast from your smartphone or tablet Disney Plus app to your EE Box Pro using Chromecast functionality. After installation using any method, you'll need to set up your Disney Plus account. You can sign in with an existing account or create a new one directly on your EE Box Pro. The installation process is now complete. Your Disney Plus app should be ready to use on your EE Box Pro with full access to the entire Disney Plus content library. Now that you have Disney Plus installed, let's ensure everything runs smoothly and explore how to get the best streaming experience on your EE Box Pro. First, let's check the technical requirements for optimal streaming. Your internet connection is crucial for a smooth Disney Plus experience. You need a minimum of 10 megabits per second for HD content, but 25 megabits per second is recommended for the best 4K streaming experience. Your EE Box Pro also needs firmware version 3.2 or later, and at least 2 gigabytes of free storage space for the Disney Plus app. If you encounter any issues, here are the most common problems and their solutions. If the Disney Plus app doesn't appear in your app store, check for firmware updates and verify regional availability in your area. For login problems, double-check your account credentials and ensure your internet connection is stable. If you experience streaming quality issues, test your internet speed and adjust the video quality settings in the Disney Plus app. For audio and video sync problems, try restarting the Disney Plus app or check your HDMI connection. Once everything is set up correctly, you can enjoy the full Disney Plus experience with high-quality streaming. Much of Disney Plus content is now available in stunning 4K resolution, providing crystal-clear picture quality for your favorite movies and shows. Many UK households prefer bundled streaming services with their broadband, making EE's Disney Plus offerings highly competitive and cost-effective. With proper setup and these troubleshooting tips, you're ready to enjoy Disney Plus seamlessly on your EE Box Pro. Happy streaming!